Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Nuphy HALO75 V2 mechanical keyboard. This board has been making waves for its stunning design and promising features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Nuphy HALO75 V2 is a custom-style mechanical keyboard available in a compact 75% layout. It's crafted with an aluminum top case and ABS plastic bottom, offering a premium feel and durability. First off, let's talk design. The HALO75 V2 is an absolute stunner with its retro-inspired aesthetics and a distinctive halo lighting system. This unique feature casts a beautiful RGB glow around the keys, creating a mesmerizing effect, especially in low-light settings. The build quality is top-notch, featuring multiple layers of foam and silicone damping inside the case. This setup not only enhances the keyboard's acoustic profile but also provides a solid, satisfying typing experience. Typing on the HALO75 V2 is a joyous affair, thanks to its MSA profile keycaps and Nuphy X Gateron switches. The keyboard offers a variety of switch options, including tactile and linear variants, though the selection is somewhat limited compared to its predecessor. The keycaps themselves are designed to reduce interference and maintain a clean, refined sound profile. This makes typing sessions both comfortable and efficient, whether you're working or gaming. In terms of performance, the HALO75 V2 impresses with its 1000 Hz polling rate in 2.4G mode, making it suitable for fast-paced gaming as well as everyday productivity tasks. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity, although the polling rate drops to 125 Hz in wireless mode. One standout feature is its hot swappable switches, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience without soldering. Now, let's address some downsides. While the keyboard excels in many areas, it's not without its flaws. The stabilizers, particularly for the spacebar, can feel a bit wobbly compared to competitors using more robust stabilizer designs. Pricing might also be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers, as there are similarly capable keyboards available at lower price points, albeit with different design aesthetics. Wrapping up, the Nuphy HALO75 V2 is undeniably a standout in the mechanical keyboard market. It combines striking visuals with solid performance and innovative features like hot swappable switches and a robust build. Whether you're a gamer looking for responsiveness or a typist valuing comfort and style, the HALO75 V2 delivers on multiple fronts. Just be mindful of its stabilizer issues and consider your budget before making a decision. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.